All right, we're just gonna wing this one. So
this is how we roll.
wish us luck. That was luck emanating from us.
I like it a lot. Luck. So it's a brand new year.
Woo! Super stoked.
Giddy up. And not gonna lie, the end of last year and the beginning of this year, not so hot.
Yeah, little
So really
rough end, rough start.
Only up
From
to
here.
go.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. And I'm really, really excited that we made the commitment to keep doing this made up life.
There's a long pause there for a while.
Yeah, we took a bit of a hiatus over the holidays, and we'll figure that out so that it doesn't happen next year.
Yeah.
This year.
This year.
It's 2020.
2020. Also, I'm sure everyone already knows this, but when you sign documents and date things, you should always do 2020 rather than just 20, because then people could edit it and backdate so many things. Or I guess make future things.
Yeah, I just don't think I have enough documents that have any value.
That's true. I was signing a kid care thing yesterday, and I was like, I could just do 20 on this. It's not like people are going to be like, I need a record of this child from 5 years ago. She wasn't even born. So anyway, 2020.
2020. 2020.
Or like checks, probably if you write like checks or...
When was the last time you wrote a check?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't remember.
You know, it's all digital.
Except cash. My friend was saying, don't you think that we would like be able to get rid of cash?
No.
I was like, have you heard of the underground drug market and prostitution?
I'm pretty sure most of that's electronic too.
No, I don't think so. If you don't want a record of something, you're going to pay cash.
So it's a brand new year. Welcome 2020. We're a little late. It's we're what, 3 weeks in? 2 weeks in?
2 weeks in.
It's the 17th. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So, you know, we're getting around to it.
Mm-hmm.
This is This Made Up Life.
Oh yeah. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
I'm wearing my magnetic eyelashes.
I like them. The ones I gave you?
No, those are my Vegas lashes, which I will be wearing
I'm telling you,
a week.
Right? I knew they'd be the perfect Vegas lashes.
Super stoked.
So excited.
Super
You've
excited.
got to post pictures of before and then after you put them on.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Vegas lashes, everyone.
It's hard to buy you gifts. You just need to know.
That's the worst comment ever.
I try to think of like kitschy things that you wouldn't buy for yourself. But that
was it. You did such a great job.
It was good.
Kitschy thing.
It was good. So, This Made Up Life going into 2020. We want to share our goal with you, just so we're all on the same page.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you're ready for what's going to be coming this year.
So we love that we can share just some styling tips and fashion advice or thoughts. But mostly what we're trying to convey is that we want everybody to feel good in their own skin.
Mm-hmm. I think it's... there are a lot of things, especially for me, that play into not feeling good about myself. And social media, I know, is a big one for everyone. You see things on social media that you're like envious of, jealous of, you wish your life was. And I think we need to remember that your life is actually like of great value.
Really awesome. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think I loved that quote we heard from Joanna Gaines last year, where she said you should just, I wake up every day grateful for being me.
Yeah.
And I think we all have to learn to embrace that. So that's kind of our goal this year, is learning to embrace who we are right this minute.
Great. Super stoked.
It's been a rough beginning of the year. I got really sick.
Yeah, bronchitis.
We had like December
Just a lot of...
and January,
hard
lots
things.
of funerals.
Yeah, lots of emotional
stuff. And so I got really, really sick. And I'm better now.
Sweet.
Mostly.
Awesome.
I'm kind of puffy, but that's, you know, it is what it is.
Puffy.
But so we're kind of excited about getting started, about diving in.
Oh, gotta turn off my monitor.
Oh, we've got a baby monitor over
Baby
here.
monitor. We'll wrap up soon.
So what we want to know, though, is how can we help you? We want to be more transparent this year. We're talking about posting more, a little more often, with things that are a little more candid.
Yeah, our real life.
I don't know if you got a chance to see the post that we posted on Instagram of all the selfies that Cecilly and I have sent each other over the past year.
They're good.
And
mostly hers.
Yours are cute. So this is what my other daughter said. Sam said, Cecily's are cute. Mom's are weird.
What a compliment.
What a compliment. It's just I have all these issues, but
don't we all? But you're embracing them.
I'm embracing them. They are part of who I am.
Yeah, and they make you great.
Yeah. So please comment below. Let us know what your favorite thing is about the videos that we do. And please let us know if you've got questions or if there are some things you want us to talk about in future videos. And bring on 2020. We're ready.
Super stoked. It's going to be great.
Peace out.
Bye.